CNN News 18 has in fact accessed the plea filed by the club, which holds no punches in taking on the government order as also its intent. So what does it say? It gives various grounds on which it is challenging the government order. And it says that there are vague and generalized reasons of defense infrastructure, public security purposes and governance infrastructure given for the takeover, with no particulars and material provided, amounting to nothing more than a sham. It goes on to say no compensation in respect of the loss of the property, the premium paid or the buildings and infrastructure standing on the premises. It adds flagrant violation of Article 300A of the Constitution. Rights cannot be extinguished in an arbitrary manner without an acquisition process. In fact, it even calls the government actions malicious and colorable exercise, being the last in a series of acts by a government to gain control over the institution, including a recent attempt to take over the management of the institution. And it says that it amounts to an attempt to effect forced eviction through executive force, administrative fiat and threat exercise of police power instead of following the due process of law. In fact, CNN News 18 has also accessed a 2022 police complaint against the club on the use of a drone in high security area, which is of course this zone, against warning, and also carrying out a supposed Tiranga Yatra ahead of Independence Day in 2022 despite VVIP movement in the area. Now, this is just one of the kind of complaints that this club has faced in recent times, along with those on the club fund management, for example, and its functioning as well. So what are the rules applicable to the club, on the club, and can the government even order for its eviction? Let's take you through that. The government has invoked clause 4 of the lease deed. Now, this gives the government power to take back this land, because this clause basically allows the ministry concerned, the lesser concerned, to re-enter and terminate the lease. If there are conditions, of course, the condition is if the property is required for a public purpose. Now, in the past, argument has also been made that in such cases, the market value of the land becomes irrelevant, and there is only an except for compensation, which depends on the premium paid in the past and cost of the buildings others built on this land. The government may need to compensate a little bit here and there. Now, the club is also governed by the Companies Act and is registered as a non-profit. Therefore, its activities are subject to conditions and regulations